What is up, guys? CutieSaki here. This is my friend Ian. I usually call him Dale, but I'll call him Ian this time because Dale's an old nickname and I'm the only one that still calls him it. He's got a Gixxer 750, so it's much faster than my bike. It's much nicer looking too, and a lot bigger as well. So yeah, but we're gonna go riding. We're just gonna get some gas real quick though. It's gonna be to our gas time. Where's Dale? Oh, there's Dale. Hi, Dale. So I'm gonna cut the recording here because this part's gonna be boring. So yeah. Love me. He doesn't love me. It's much louder. Nope, he's not gonna do it. Hello. How you doing? Doing good. Oh, fuck me. Bye, Dale. Woo! I almost stole my bike. Bye-bye! Oh, he pulled over for me. What a good guy. Good guy, Dale. Oh, my bike doesn't do that, Dale. Dale, my bike doesn't. Nope. Nope. Mine. Nope. Nope. Sorry, mine doesn't do that. You're gonna have to buy me a better one if you want me to do that, Dale. That is so rude. How could you just leave me like that? Oh. Huh? Sure. Oh, I just ran into my own bike. Oh, you're just gonna leave your helmet and gloves here?
Yeah. Someone takes that laugh.
I don't trust the general public. I'm gonna keep mine on my head.
How you guys doing?
Hey, what's going on? You want to share a pizza?
Sure.
Bring it in. I don't think they don't have any breakfast right now. Let's share a pizza.
Alright, what do you want to...
Can we get like a small pizza?
So for the pizzas only, we don't have pepperoni.
You don't have what?
Pepperoni.
That's fine. What can we put on it though?
We have everything else on pepperoni.
What do you want to put on it? Just kind of like...
Oh, I'm still recording. I'm gonna stop this while we eat our pizza. Yeah. Okay, we're good. Let's get it. Do 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 do. Living in a wild world. Like a midnight train going anywhere. Come on, let us go! Yeah!
You want to sit on this one?
It's probably hella comfortable.
The kicker behind that one is like, you think this is comfortable? You've never ridden like a Harley. You've literally like
Wait, how do you even get on this thing? I'm gonna get on this side.
Just be careful. It's heavy. Like you can hold it up. It's just different than the weight of it.
How do you?
Like that, yeah.
It is comfortable.
Go ahead and it looks like you fit it pretty well. You can go ahead and move it around a little bit. Be careful.
Oh, this is heavy. This is very heavy.
Yeah. But it's fun riding. It's fast. I don't know if... Let me see if Coco's inside. You can meet my dog.
I know your dog.
Coco?
Yeah.
The husky?
Yeah.
When did you meet Coco?
You've brought Coco over a couple times.
Oh, I did, huh? I've seen Coco fully grown.
No, I have not. Is Coco small?
She's still small for a husky, but...
Dreams take flight when imaginations ignite. I feel like my head is slightly not big enough for this helmet. Like, it could be tighter, but the problem is it's an extra large, and when I use a large, it's way too tight. Can never just have a perfect size helmet. My big ass nose. Oh, hello. Fancy seeing you here again. How long have we been recording? Is that... I can't read it. Puppers used to... I have a photo of me holding Puppers, actually. Hi, Puppers. Puppers is so big now. Oh my god, who's your good puppy? Who's your good puppy? You're so big.
You just came from a dog park.
You're so big. Oh, thank you for the kisses. You have fun at the dog park? Oh, that's my crotch. Who's your good puppy? Look, I show you guys. I have a photo. That was the same dog.
I know.
Like, what?
She got super, different.
How? Look at that. Look at that. That is the same dog as the one that's down here. Oh yeah, I need my gloves. Can't forget my gloves. Okay, it's closed. I think the camera's gonna die soon. Are we good? We're good. That's his daddy-o. I just met his dad for the first time. It was a little awkward because I wasn't sure who it was. If you want to add my personal Snapchat, I don't have one for CutieSaki. It's just my personal one. Go ahead. I'll put it up on the screen here. It's just Nicholas JRB. I put it in another video as well. Oh, you know what? I put he's swapping bike. Let's put an S there. Alright, we're out here in the middle of nowhere. No idea where we're at. But I'm just going to record as long as my camera can. Because I think it's almost dead. I'm not 100% sure though. Holy shit, that's a lot of fucking birds. What the hell? What the hell? Damn, they mating or something? Fucking bird orgy. Hi. What? I don't know, where are we? What? We're in Livermore? Oh, there's the In-N-Out right there. I see In-N-Out. He's like, dude, we just ate. Apparently we're back in my hometown. I don't even know where we went. I see Popo. Popo. What? Yeah. Downtown Livermore. What would you do for a downtown Livermore? That doesn't work. We can pretend it worked.